to Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have exciting news that I want to share with you guys, and I also want to do a refresh or a little decorate of my hutch for the end of the summer. So let's get started. If you guys are new, my name is Emily and I love DIY projects, thrifting, and really all things crafting. And this is Trigger, my little buddy. So I started this channel back at the end of March and I've had so much fun so far, and I really would like to start out by saying thank you to all of my subscribers, anyone that watches these videos, you know, likes the videos, leaves comments. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I love reading the comments. I'm learning a lot from people in the comments too, like different products to use or what an item is when I go thrifting, and I really appreciate it and I love it. So thank you so much to everybody, and I hope you continue to enjoy these videos. So I'll just get started with this exciting news. So a couple days ago, accepted a new job at a new company. So I will be starting August 1st. And what that means is, well, first of all, it's a brand new company, but also my hours will be changing, and I am going to end up not putting out 2 videos a week, but I will be putting out 1 video a week, at least while I'm figuring out my new work routine, the transition of everything. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that that's happening. So I'm very, very excited. It is actually a work from home. I get to work from home. So I am trying to figure out the best space for working from home. Pretty much I'm going to have to turn my craft room into not only my craft room, but also my office. So I am in the process of working on that. So I have 2 desks already in my craft room, which is a blessing because my husband built both of them. So one of them is on one wall and I will be using that as my office space. And then my other desk is on another wall, which will become my craft space. So I am going to be filming stuff anyways because people did put in comments from previous videos that they are interested in seeing my craft room organization and decorating. So that is coming. It's just going to be slightly different because I have to also now make that my office. So a lot of things are happening very, very quickly. So just please bear with me. I'm very excited for everything coming up, and yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that everything will be the same. I will still be doing DIY projects. I will still be doing thrift flips, furniture flips, thrifting videos, all of those kind of things. I just will be for a while just doing 1 video a week. So I hope you guys stick around. And I also, if anyone does work from home, do you guys have any tips for me? I've never worked from home before, so I would love any advice that you guys can give, because I'm very excited, but I'm also very nervous because, you know, this is all brand new to me. So I would just love any advice you guys have. The other thing that I wanted to say is I have a lot of fun content and videos ahead. I have been pre-filming because I knew that this was hopefully coming. So I wanted to at least prepare some videos while I was making that transition the first couple weeks of August with the new job. So I have some really fun collab videos coming out in the next couple weeks. I have some furniture videos. I have a really fun idea, and I already have the items for a Studio McGee dupe video. So I will be getting that out hopefully in the next couple weeks. Again, it all kind of depends on everything that's going on, but I'm very excited for that video because, like I said, I already have everything. I just have to do it. So I have a lot of fun videos ahead, and a lot of fun ideas as well. I have bathroom makeovers that I will be doing and bedroom makeovers that I will be doing over the next couple months. So a lot of fun things. So now let's get into the redecorating my hutch. So if I haven't said this already, because I can't remember, I have decorated this hutch for the 4th of July. And I will leave that video in the description if you haven't seen it yet. I am going to redecorate that now because I'm ready to transition, not decorate for fall, but get kind of ready to transition into like the fall colors and things. So I did go to Hobby Lobby recently and I found this really pretty, I have this really pretty wall piece or wall art to put on top of my hutch. And I have really gorgeous old books that I got in a recent thrift video, which I will also link for you in the description. So I would like to put those on the hutch and just kind of rearrange some things to kind of make it seem like I've got all these new things, but I'm really just, you know, shopping my house. So let's get into that. I just want to show you a few of the things that I'm definitely going to be putting on the hutch before I start decorating. So I'm going to step back so you can see this piece from Hobby Lobby. But before I do, it was marked, it was priced $54.99, but I got it on clearance. So I can't remember if it was like 65% off maybe. I don't remember, but I know I got it on clearance. So I grabbed this. I absolutely love the colors in this. This is like totally my vibe. So I love these colors and I will be keeping this piece up throughout the fall time on top of the hutch. So I wanted to start by putting that up. When I was out thrifting a week ago maybe, so this piece was 50% off. I got it for $4. I have been wanting one of these for a really long time. I grew up with my parents having one in their dining room and I just have always wanted to find one. And I love the size of it and I love the frame. So I got this for $4 and I'm just going to set it on the hutch for now. In a recent video, which I will link, I found these books and I will be putting them on the hutch probably this way because this is so beautiful to me and it's super neutral and I already have plenty of books if you can see. So I'm just gonna add these to the hutch and if I find anything else then I will show you guys as well. So let's get started. All right, you guys are about to get a sneak peek of a piece that I have in an upcoming DIY collab video. So I'm not going to show you too much, but this will be coming up in a video soon. Grabbed these books from another spot in my house, which I also used in my patriotic DIY video. So I'm gonna put these on my hutch as well. guys enjoyed this decorating with me. I really like to try and find some staple pieces that are good for more than just one season, and I really think that this wall art is going to be the perfect piece. Again, I just want to say thank you so much to my subscribers, to everyone that likes my videos, comments on them. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate you all, and stick around. I have so many fun things coming up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.